Welcome to the Columbus Regional Airport Authority snow removal training videos. Today we are going to do this liquid spray truck. Here we have truck 136. It's a 5,000 gallon tank. So we can put a lot of chemical down on the pavement. So we're just going to do a general walk around first. So we want to kind of start up here on the front. We're looking at the lights, make sure that there's no cracks, no water on them. You're looking at the windshield, make sure there's no dents or cracks in that. So as we come around here, looking for any leaks. This is a little wet, so you might see puddles underneath it, but that's okay. You're checking out the tires, making sure all the lug nuts are on. Checking out the tires, make sure they're properly inflated. Make sure there's no bulges or worn. Make sure we have the mud flaps. Coming across here, you may want to, when you do your walk around, reach in here. You can see it right in there is the master switch. So turn that baby on. There it goes. All the lights come on. You can tell it's on. Here is the battery cover. We'll open that a little later. There is the DEF underneath there, so just to let you know. So give a quick look at your fire extinguisher. Make sure it's all charged. And we're just doing continue on the walk around inspection. Looking at for any leaks again. Here's the pump for this fine piece of equipment, so make sure nothing's leaking. We got mud flaps down there. We got lug nuts on these tires, make sure they're all good. Proper inflation, tread. Move on to the back side. Once again, we look at the lug nuts. There you go, you back off, there you go. And you got the mud flats back here. Now as we come to the back, you can take a look at the spray broom. Make sure it has all the lights. Nothing's cracked or leaking. Come across here, we got some more lights. And up on top. We'll go over the spray broom and what all the nozzles do and stuff. You can kind of see in here, take a look in here too. This is where the manifold is for all the, when the spray does hit the boom. Kind of peek your head in there and make sure everything looks good. This has an auto loop for the boom, so that's pretty good. There are a couple grease fittings that we might have to hit. So you got the mud flaps on the other side. You got the lug nuts. Proper tire inflation. Here we go again. Got the mud flap and the lug nuts. So we should be pretty good on that. Got some more lights on the boom, side markers. We got our fuel tank. Here's the electrical system and hydraulic system. We're not going to get in there, but just know where it is. And there's the other side. And we move to the front side here. Once again, you're looking at the windows. Make sure they're not cracked. Make sure they're clean. Make sure the lights are all not cracked and holding water or anything like that. And of course, here is our last wheel and stuff. A couple other things when you're doing your walk around is this front here. This is part of the spray system. If we want to use it, one, never use those to step up. Two, make sure they are on and not leaking either. So because once the system is on, they are charged and stuff. So that completes just the general walk around. We're going to show you how to check the fluids here in the next video. Thank you.